Welcome back, everyone. Here's what you need to know to get your day started. California State Public Health has issued an order for a number of businesses in Placer County to close or halt indoor operations effective as of Sunday. The state order calls for a shift in operations for a minimum of 3 weeks. Placer County has reported 11 deaths with 438 new positive coronavirus cases in just the last 14 days. 6 inmates in the Butte County Jail have tested positive for COVID-19, and more testing is expected to take place today. The sheriff's office says those individuals are now isolated in their own housing units, and all of the inmates who tested positive were asymptomatic. The sheriff's office says 34 inmates were potentially exposed to that inmate, and all were tested. Tehama County representatives are deciding whether to send a letter to Governor Newsom. That letter would demand the county be allowed to exercise more control if it is placed on the governor's watch list. The letter would ask the governor to allow a county public health officer to make a decision on restrictions. The Board of Supervisors will discuss sending that letter at its next board meeting. More than 20 people are injured after a fire on board a naval ship docked in San Diego. About 160 sailors and officers were on board. As of last night, 15 people, 13 sailors, and 2 federal firefighters were admitted to local hospitals. All are currently in stable condition. San Diego's fire chief says the fire could continue burning for days. The Trump administration is criticizing infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci. They say he has not briefed the president personally in 2 months. Democrats are promising a relief bill by the end of the month, which includes unemployment, food aid, child care, health care, and help for people losing their homes. Any relief aid proposal would have to go through the Senate, where Republicans have been reluctant to spend more. Florida has added more than 15,000 new cases as of Sunday. Its state total is now over 269,000. The state also confirmed 45 more reported deaths just since Saturday. Representatives for the Florida Department of Health say one of the over 142,000 test results reported to the state Saturday, more than 11% were new positive cases. And while Florida saw a record surge, New York is showing signs of recovery. New York City reported no coronavirus deaths Sunday, and that's for the first time since March. Today, the city is allowing 3,000 daycares to reopen with social distancing and other safety measures in place.